Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. Due to the fact that we've seen a lot of sideways movement. And harsh, what I was saying before about that is whenever we get a market that generally goes sideways for quite some time, this is called the calm. This here is called the calm, when the market does very little. This is almost 2 years. And when you have the calm, which when the market does nothing, goes sideways for like quite some time, and then we get and then we get a bit of a breakout. That's when the storm, i.e., that big move, is like going to happen. So understanding the calm before the storm is so critical in understanding the markets and what's likely to come in the markets. And think about this as understanding the calm before the storm is like an energy field, right? Like it's like an energy. Is that the longer we go sideways, the more energy it's built up, and the longer it just goes sideways, the more energy it's built up, and the longer it goes sideways. Just like we saw with Bitcoin. What happened with Bitcoin? We got a breakout and then we had a big move down, didn't we? Like a very quick move down out of Bitcoin after that, right? So when the market's going sideways, it's building energy. And the more time we go sideways, the longer the energy it's got. And then when we break, that's like releasing energy in the markets. So what I was saying is that if we start to get a break to the upside, it may actually, you know what? The fact of the matter is we actually may get a break to the downside on GDX, like a big strong break, and then we may be going for a bit of a run to the downside. I don't know where it's going to break, but wherever remember, this is a weekly chart too. By the way, guys, this is a weekly chart. This is over 2 years right now of almost sideways movement here on this chart. So when we do start to get a break, if we do get a break to the upside, and we start to get some sort of this could be the start of a very nice, it could be straight up like that, a very nice move up, which means that, that the whole calm before the storm, this breakout here could mean it could go up for 3 months if it goes really quickly, or it could be a 1 to 2 year move. I don't know. So that is what I call understanding, and this is about understanding the charts, right? This is understanding the charts here. The chart is the king. So this is whenever you hear people say the calm before the storm, that's all it really means. And think about it, when the market goes sideways for quite some time, it's building energy. So when it breaks, we have a lot of energy. That's where sometimes you'll see the market go sideways, and then suddenly it'll break and it'll go boom, like one day it'll be a big up bar. That's because now it's releasing all that energy. And sometimes that up bar is way too big and so on and so forth, but I won't get into that. But that's how you understand that's how you understand the price, understanding the calm before the storm. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really good trader. You got the foundations, you got the chart reading techniques, you got the trading systems, and also you got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really good trader. And I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well, the foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.